Hey everyone, Technomentary here with a video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the new iOS 18 wallpapers on your iPhone. So let's get started. Now, if you haven't updated your phone, first thing is you need to go ahead and update it. So make sure you update your phone by going to your settings, general, software update, and you should see iOS 18 update. Now, once you have updated, you're ready to get the new wallpaper. In order to get the new wallpaper, simply go to settings and then click on wallpaper, and then you're going to click on add new wallpaper. And from there on in the feature, if you go ahead and look, there's going to be an iOS 18 wallpaper now available on your phone. If I click on it, you'll see here multiple options here. We have this one. If we swipe up, we have the next one. And then we have a pink one here. We have a azure one and a purple one. So these are the colors available for you as well. And along with those, you can also add it to have a light, dark, or automatic as well. So that's how you can choose it. And then once you're ready, click on add and then set as wallpaper, and we have now the new wallpaper. And if I go back and close it, unlock it, as you can see here, now I have the new iOS 18 wallpaper on my iPhone. Again, just update your phone and go to wallpaper and you'll be able to see the new wallpaper available. I hope this video was helpful for you guys. If so, please consider hitting the like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks for your iPhone and other iOS devices. We'll see you guys next time.